Look at ah! Woo! Look at woo!
Look, you can squish it too.
Ooh.
I love how you gentle you are with my dumpling.
Look at
Yeah.
that's your cute dumpling.
Yeah.
Let's just squish it. Why can't you squish?
Yeah, you can squish it.
Now I squish the dumpling.
Yeah, you squished the dumpling. Yeah, I know, it feels weird. It felt weird to me too the first time that I saw it or touched it too.
Look at woo!
Yeah. Eric is gonna be so confused on what that is, and I have to re-explain on what it is.
Woo! That's just squish. Look at woo!
You can play around with that. Just don't pop it.